It's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Money Market Update. And hopefully everybody got out this weekend and enjoyed the nice weather, because we all woke up today to single digit, almost freezing, which was kind of a bit of a different turn, considering we just had a week in the mid 20s and now we're back down to the single digits. But anyways, it is also only April, so that is probably more normal for this time of year. Anyways, let's jump into the numbers, because this past week in the City of London is very interesting for real estate. So new listings came in at 149, conditionals at 75, and sold firm at 129. Now, what I did is I wanted to see, what did the past 12 weeks look like? And when we look at the past 12 weeks, we had an average of new listings being 130, conditionals being 49, and solds being 95. So we're seeing a lot more activity. So new listings on average over the past 3 months are up 14.7%. Conditional solds are up a whopping 34%, which is huge. And solds are up 26%. What's that telling us? Well, I think a lot of realtors have been feeling this, is that activity has been building and picking up and picking up. And I know we've mentioned it on our money market updates before, that buyer demand is pent up. People want to buy. Now, I think everybody has accepted the fact that interest rates are going to remain a little bit higher than what we've been used to for the past, call it 3-4 years. You know, hopefully we don't see any more rate increases. Hopefully over the next 12 to 18 months, we actually see rates maybe come off a little bit. That'd be nice. But the reality I think that we're starting to see is that pent-up buyer demand is finally being released on the market. Let's call it that. So those buyers that have been holding off are finally going out and buying. One of the triggers, though, that could be that caused this to kick off is the nice weather. You know, after all, when it's, 25 degrees and sunny, I mean, why not go out and look for a new home, especially when you were doing, maybe yard work and realize you didn't like your backyard and you want a new one or something like that. But anyways, again, it's just a very interesting observation. It's going to be interesting to see if this trend continues for the next few weeks. And I think once we see another 2 more weeks of this increased buyer activity, I think at that point it's fair to say that it's official that the real hardcore spring buyers market is kicked off. But one thing to look for with that, with activity and sales going up, we probably will actually see pricing pressure going upwards, because quite frankly, we just don't have the product on the market that the buyers want. So we are going to see prices pushing up. Anyways, again, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team. Hope you found this week's Money Market Update informative.